Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I really needed to get working on this bedroom. I have totally let it go, and it's been the one room of this house that I have not kept up with cleaning wise. I've kind of just used this room as a place to hide everything when people come over. So as you can see, there is stuff everywhere. It's cluttered. I have laundry all over the floor that is clean, by the way, but probably covered in cat hair at this point. Just, cups and things left out absolutely everywhere. So I have a lot to clean up, a lot to put away. I really need to do a deep clean of this bed, change all the bedding, clean up the master bathroom as well, because you can see it right when you walk in. There's no door, so it's just exposed to all of the mess. I have to do a deep clean in there as well. I usually do a full clean with me video of the entire house, but the rest of the house is clean right now. It's just this room that's really struggling, so I'm going to spend a lot of time in here really making it look good. I'm also headed home for the holidays soon, so I really wanted to get this room all tidied up so I don't leave it in this state because it's kind of overwhelming right now. It's kind of causing a lot of stress. So anyways, if you guys have a lot of cleaning to do today or want to clean your room at the exact same time, let's get started with all of our cleaning. Hopefully this gives you guys the motivation to get started with yours. I'm very embarrassed to be showing you guys my room in this state, but that's just life. So let's go ahead and start cleaning up. So the first thing I wanted to get started with was the bedding. I usually use my bed as kind of a folding station for all my clothes, so I wanted to get the bed all cleaned up so I had a flat surface to work on, and I really need to change up these sheets. Today is a very gloomy day, very rainy, and it's the weekend, so I feel like that's the perfect time to clean your room and just do all of those really annoying things you have to do. So I'm just taking off all of my pillowcases, my sheets, and my duvet cover so I can put them directly in the washing machine. A lot of you guys ask me how I keep my sheets so white, and I'm not really sure. I don't really do anything special. I just wash them. I have a few that I switch between, but having a duvet cover instead of just a quilt or a blanket definitely makes it a lot easier to keep it looking crisp and white. You'll also notice that my cat just loves to be here every time I do my bed. He just likes to get right in there, so he'll be inside that blanket in the meantime. I also wanted to show you guys this. It's my mattress pad that I got from Home Depot from the Home Decorators collection, and oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's so squishy. It's like a memory foam kind of cooling mattress topper, and my mattress was already really soft, but having this on top just made it literally feel like a cloud, and I love it so much. I love a super soft bed, so if you guys are into that kind of thing too, mattress toppers are the way to go. I feel like it's a lot cheaper to do it that way than getting a whole new soft mattress. Anyways, I'm just gonna clean this all up and vacuum out the mattress pad and scare my cat at the same time, and just get this all kind of refreshed so that there's no cat hair laying around on here, and then I can put my clean sheets on. Alright, I realized after I got the duvet cover on, I'm pretty sure I put a double size duvet cover on a king size duvet, and it kind of squeezed it in and it's making it really small, so I will change that later. I feel like it's too far gone right now. I'm going to move on to doing my laundry and folding all of these clothes, getting them off the floor and into my closet. This is always something that takes me such a long time, so sometimes I even put on a show to watch in the meantime. I usually try and do this at night because it's literally the last thing I want to do. Folding laundry is not my favorite thing to do, and I always find myself doing it because we're always doing laundry. We're always cleaning up clothes. You'll see that there's just so many clothes lying around, I can't even keep up with it. But anyways, Christian has the exact same amount on his side. He even has an entire suitcase filled with clothes that need to be washed. So this is kind of out of control right now. And yeah, just bear with me as I put everything away, tidy this all up. Hopefully this is relatable in some way and not just totally embarrassing. Let me know down below if you guys also struggle with laundry. Ugh, I just can't get control of it at all. Okay, so I've dealt with all the hard things, doing the bed, cleaning up all the clothes. Now I'm going to vacuum up my carpet, and I'm going to be using my Dyson pet vacuum. This thing is amazing for picking up pet hair and never gets tangled, and it's super powerful. You guys will be absolutely grossed out or totally amazed by how much hair it's collected in here. That's pretty disgusting that we were living in that, and no wonder I was sneezing. So this will definitely help make the air feel cleaner in here. That's what I love. Anyways, on to the easy part in my opinion, cleaning up all the little things that get left behind on this TV stand. For some reason, every single surface becomes a dumping surface, so I need to fix that. But anyways, gotta dust up this area. It's looking a little gray recently, and we'll move on to the rest of the space. So usually in my day-to-day bedroom cleanup, I don't dust the blinds, but I haven't done this in such a long time. They're really collecting dust. I had to get that cleaned up, and now we can finally move on to my messy nightstand that has just so much stuff on it. Again, another dumping surface. And I've used my side of the bed as like a hiding place for everything I don't want to be seen. So this has just become a little clutter corner, and it's really bothering me, and we're finally gonna get it cleaned up today. I'm using my favorite cleaning method, putting things in baskets to make them look cleaner. That's what I love to do. It just makes things tidy. You can still have things out that you need, but at least they're contained into a basket. So love doing that anywhere that I can. I realize now that I'm watching this back, I should have actually cleaned these nightstands with a wet cloth instead of just dusting them, because they do look a little dirty still. So I will have to get back to that. And I'm just finishing off this bedroom space by spraying it with a little amber linen spray that I got from Home Goods for I think like $6 or $7. I just like spraying down the bed and the sheets to make everything smell super clean. Now on to cleaning the bathroom. I have a lot of stuff to put away in here, tidy up, and do a lot of like surface spray cleaning. So I'm going to start with taking out the garbage, because having a full garbage really bothers me. It makes it look super messy, as well as cleaning up this whole cat food station. It gets messy daily. I don't know why their food goes everywhere. Maybe because they have a flat face, they kind of just push the food out of the bowl and onto the floor. So I got to vacuum up all the little food pieces that get tossed around everywhere. And I want to do a nice deep cleaning of these baseboards, because they're looking really dusty and really embarrassing right now. I'm sure you guys have seen this in past videos that I've done, but I use the basket method in here as well. We put all of the things that we use pretty much daily in this large basket, and then everything else I can put away in the drawers and the cabinets. I just like to have things that I need at hand and not like go through cupboards to find things. So other than that, I'm putting everything else away so I can start my surface cleaning. So I'm starting to clean up the mirror with my brandless glass cleaner, and I love the brandless glass cleaner and pretty much all the products because they're non-toxic, so it just makes me feel a lot safer about cleaning up with them. You don't realize how dirty your mirror is until you start cleaning it. It's just always something that you get used to looking at, which is horrible. But once you clean it up, it makes it look 100 times better in here. Then I'm moving on to cleaning up the counters and the sinks with my brandless multi-surface cleaner. Again, it just gets the job done. It makes you feel a lot safer about cleaning, and I love the way it smells. It's always super satisfying cleaning up a white countertop because you really see how clean it could get. Then just finishing it off by putting everything back where I wanted it to be, all clean and organized. Something else that I really wanted to make sure I got clean today was this glass shower door. And I don't know if you can tell by the video, but if you could see it from the inside out, I felt like you could barely see through the door. It was very cloudy, had a lot of watermarks on it, and when it looks like that, it really makes the bathroom look even dirtier. So I had to make sure that was clean today. It always makes such a big difference. And yeah, that's something that I always have to keep up with and sometimes forget about. So today was the day to get that done and make this look sparkly clean. I'm also hanging my bath rug on the handlebar here because the cats will pee on it, or one of them will. Can't figure out which one it is if I leave it on the floor. So that being said, cleaning up the floor with my Swiffer wet jet. Love how convenient this makes it to mop my floor. I love using this thing. And just finishing up this bathroom by putting everything back where I wanted it to be. Their little food station with their water, no food lying over the floor, so this looks way cleaner. And to make sure that this room smells as nice as it looks, I'm using my little hot cocoa wallflower from Bath & Body Works. It's right when you walk in the door and it literally smells like we're baking in here. So now we have a completely clean, fabulous looking room. Oh my gosh, it feels like there's so much more space in here and it just makes me feel so much more at ease. A bedroom should be clean and organized and feel light and airy, and before it didn't. So, you know, we're all human. It does get to that point sometimes where you really got to kick yourself in the butt to clean up the room. I let it get way too out of hand, so now I feel so much better. This cleanup did take around 3 hours for some reason. I know it doesn't look like it did, but yeah, this was like a deep clean of this bedroom and it needed to get done. So I'm feeling really good about the way it looks. I hope this video gave you guys some motivation that you needed to clean up your bedroom. If your bedroom looked anything like mine, definitely make me feel better down below in the comments by letting me know. I will feel like we're part of, like, you know, a messy trying to get clean club or something like that. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching today's video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. Love you guys so much, and I hope you're having an amazing holiday season. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!